My focus is always on practical application, with a background in the military, where I am still affiliated with the Royal Guards, one of Denmark's 3 combat battalions. I am always concerned with the effectiveness of efforts. My name is Flemming Ulrich Ostergaard. I originally trained as an electronics technician, and later I have worked as a production manager, sales and development manager. But for a large part of my working life, I have been a professional soldier. With a master's degree in management and organizational psychology, I am focused on how professional leaders can not only achieve the organization's goals, but also create workplaces where employees thrive and can develop. I teach practical leaders exclusively at many levels of organizations. And I always use AI to strengthen the learning process so that the decisions we make daily are as qualified as possible. In my private life, I dance salsa, bachata, merengue and cumbia, and I am also improving my Spanish language skills, perhaps with a dream of one day being able to teach in South America. Although I have many introverted traits, I am very communicative, so feel free to ask if you want to know more.